Welcome back to another video. Today's video going to hopefully, if nothing goes wrong, I will be picking up a bumper and fender. It's like thunderstorming right now. My mom's like, her mother instinct kicked in like, don't go. I'm like, Mom, I gotta do it for the squad. So hopefully I get there safe and sound. I'm not trying to jinx myself, but without further ado, let's get on this road and hopefully we make it there safe and sound. Driving a Honda, a turbo Honda, with an open downpipe, with no AC, is probably the worst thing. That's the worst torture you can do to somebody. While it's raining, that is the worst torture, bro. Damn! You guys can't see him, but I got the homie Key behind me. And it's just beautiful, beautiful white Jap front Integra. Oh man, that thing is beautiful. And I guess we're riding down to Lauderdale together, so that's cool. Made it to the destination. What's up, bro? Boy, clean. That boy clean with the green. I like that. You painted that color, or? Just got it, bro. Yep. I took out the fender, so it won't be too bad. Hell yeah. And it's an OEM fender too.
Oh yeah, they both OEM.
Yeah. Damn. I'm surprised you went Jap front.
That shit free, so.
Oh damn. Yeah, I see you got the Jap front fenders. Oh, you just gotta put it on now.
Yeah. I already put the front end on this shit, but because I'm in the process of probably repainting the car.
Yeah.
And I don't know what color I want to paint the car. That's the only reason why. Got an hour and a half road trip back home. Thank you to the bro for supplying the bumper and fender for a great deal. Like, bro, crackhead price, bro, crackhead price. But let's get home and then I'll show you guys the bumper stuff tomorrow and then really tear apart the front end and stuff like that. So, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Born to do it, even though all my friends looking at me like, who knew it? Run to it, the just spit by new.
It's the next day. It's about to rain, so I'm gonna make this quick, get the bumpers loaded all out the car and stuff. So here we have my 98 to 01 Supersonic Blue Pearl, whatever year it came out in. GSR OEM. To know if you're getting an OEM bumper, all OEM Integra front bumpers have this, I believe. I don't know if the 94 to 97s, but the 98 to 01s have this. But here we have, it's pretty much sanded down. Right here is where it's gonna need some work, but the lip I'm getting, it should cover it. So I will be trimming this because I don't have it on my bumper and these start to like sag like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna trim that, and then I have to trim this as well to fit the intercooler. And as far as the fender is actually in great condition as well. It is scratched right here. The paint shop might tax a little bit on like fixing it, but you know, it's whatever. Do get a fender, it's OEM as well, so that's cool. And again, thank you to Rashid for coming through with these parts instead of spending God knows how much on the front bumper and then buying an eBay replacement for like 46 bucks, which I don't have a problem with because I've been running eBay fenders for like the longest and like they hold up fine. The fitment is not bad at all. The fitment is actually really, really good. But I guess it's cool that I have an OEM fender to match the OEM bumper, so that's dope. Now I've been seeing the comments on my last Instagram post and then the video when I crashed. Yo, Zosh, go Jap front, go Jap front, go Jap front. Hell no. So while it's raining, I'm just gonna trim this off. I would use my Dremel tool, but all the blades on it are like gone from doing my fenders numerous of times, so work with what you got, right? Got the undergarment of the bumper shaved off. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got bumpers in. Only thing I'm waiting on now is headlights and the lip. And we should move forward to getting this stuff painted. Thank you to everyone who's been placing orders on the website. You guys have bro, you guys have really came clutch these past couple of days with the release of the Make Crustina Great Again slaps, with the re-release for like the third time of the Marauder limited edition. I released both of those again. Banners are restocked, and everyone who places an order, all your orders will be shipped within the following days of next week. If you thought this video was enjoyable, smash that like button for people. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.